Does it make sense to have multiple condition monitoring systems at a bogie level? Well, it depends on the operator's requirement. Nevertheless, SKF's IMX rail solution can do it all. What makes sense is having one system for all, and that's exactly what SKF IMX rail delivers. A bogie has multiple subsystems: traction motor, brakes, gearbox, pneumatics, oil level. Each asset is giving signal about its health. Instead of juggling with multiple systems, IMX rail can do it all. IMX rail can accept data from SKF certified sensors and even third-party sensors, bringing all this data to one powerful monitoring platform. From oil levels to temperature to pressure and to electric current, IMX not only collects data but transforms these data into clear insights. And on the cloud, these insights grow richer every day, helping the operators to act reliably, act faster, and improve the life of their rolling stock. IMX Rail is not just another monitoring tool. It's a one-stop solution that simplifies complexity and drives smarter solutions across the bogie.